If you're stressed about your future and you have this fear of future, I want you to take a pause and do this guided meditation for 10 minutes and come back to the state of gratitude. Yes, in 10 minutes, it will definitely help you. Namaste, my name is Nehha Jaiswal and I am a meditation coach. I use meditation to help you come out of lifestyle diseases using meditation. So, this guided meditation in this video is particularly to take you from fear of something which is going on in your mind, from fear to gratitude. Yes, so you are going to experience a heartfelt gratitude once you do this guided meditation. So, what you have to do, very simple, just find a quiet place, put on your headphones, and sit in a comfortable position. Try to keep your spine straight and just follow the instructions by closing your eyes. That's it. And after you are done, please let me know how did you feel. Let's begin. And listen to this music for a few seconds. Completely relax. Let your body breathe on its own. Let your entire body relax and calm down. Release the tension. If you feel in any body part, from your shoulders, from your neck, from your eyes, from your eyebrows, completely relax. You have received so many blessings in your life, but at this moment, I want you to choose one blessing that is so great that you have received. What is that one blessing? Can you think about it? Can you think every aspect of it? Can you hold this gratitude for a few more seconds? And now, gently come back to your breath. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. I want you to gently place your right hand at the center of your chest and repeat this after me. I'm so much blessed that today I do not ask for anything else. I just want to enjoy and cherish whatever I already have. Relax, release your hand and relax. And now bring both your hands together into Namaste in front of your chest and rub your palms nicely. Generate heat, and place both your palms on your closed eyes. Feel that energy. And slowly bring your hands in front of your face. Open your eyes, look at your palms with a smile. And yes, that I'm also blessed, right? I'm so much blessed. Okay, so I'm sure you have changed the state of your mind by this guided meditation. If it did, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, it is the best time to do it right now, because you will get such meditations, and you will also get a notification on your email that I have posted a new meditation video, or you will get that notification. Without a subscription, you won't get the notification. So please do that. And if you're interested to learn more from me, emotional healing, where your yoga, pranayam, gym, diets, or kumbhak, nothing has worked, then I'm for sure that emotional healing will help you out, and especially with meditation. So if you're really interested, you can click on the link below in the description box, and I will see you in the live free masterclass. Till then, thank you. Hare Krishna.